Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about routing in Flask. Routing is nothing but redirecting or directing the request to the particular resources on your web application. And now currently I'm in Google homepage. Let's go into search for Wikipedia. As you can see, once I search for the Wikipedia keyword, Google search engine suggested me Wikipedia website. When I click on the link, it's opened the root path. Root is nothing but wikipedia.org. Actually at the end we do have one slash. So this slash actually represents the root path of the web application domain. Let's first discuss about what are the things actually been present within this URL. First of all, we do have HTTPS. HTTPS is nothing but Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Here specifically Wikipedia follows HTTPS, which means that they are using HTTP protocol with secured. This www means that World Wide Web. So even you could access this website without having www dot as a prefix. Whatever the website or domain name you are purchasing, this www is the default one. And this is the actual domain value, and here is the path, and this is also called as a routing. When I click on this English, you could see they have appended wiki/main page. Okay, so if you haven't notified that, let me make that request again. So now we are on a wikipedia.org home page, and I'm going to click on English. Once I click on that English link, you could see the URL for the page is actually been rewritten. It means that instead of wikipedia.org, now we are in en.wikipedia.org/wiki/main page. en.wikipedia.org is the subdomain of the parent domain wikipedia.org. Within this subdomain, I'm going to request a page called main page. This main page is present within the wiki. That would be the folder. So here, when I click on about Wikipedia menu on the sidebar, actually I'm requesting a new route. So data is been fetched for this particular route and populated on my rendered area. Okay, so what does this actual process means? So this is called as request and response. When I actually hover the mouse on this main page link, you could see that the actual URL present behind this link in the bottom left of the window, which is where https en.wikipedia.org/wiki/main page. So this process is called as request and response. Currently I'm sending one request to the web server for the URL main page of Wikipedia. When the request has been processed from the server side and it could respond, currently I'm in a main page. Likewise, we do have routing in our application. We are going to see more on the routing in our upcoming videos. Let's meet you on another video.